Hi, welcome to RM Wraps. My name is Randy Mill, and what you're seeing right here is actually a fridge wrap. You can change the look of your fridge just by wrapping it, and this is actually called the Fender Amp refrigerator wrap. And that's the freezer door, and that's a fridge door. That's the top right here. It's a leather look. It's two sides right here. It's what's called a full fridge wrap. And you can see the texture of this, on the wrap and everything. It's smooth, but it has like, it looks like a texture and everything. And this is when I show you the quality of this print right here. So if you want to change the look of your refrigerator, again, you can just by wrapping it. Every order is custom size to fit, so we need the width and height of each door and how thick it is. And then also for the body, not including the door, but how deep and how high it is on the sides. And we put a lot of love into it. We put actually little markers on here. I'm gonna cut this line right there after this video. It's just easier holding it up just like this, but it'll cut right there. But also we put markers on, or we pre-cut the backing for it. It's called tacking on strip, so it makes it easier. Also, we add little markers that indicate the corners of the doors. You can see those little tabs right there. A free squeegee, free knife. And then at the end of almost every print, we use a barn journal app. It's a personal email going to you guys saying, hey, it's done, it's coming your way. And it's about a 2-minute video usually. And but other than that, 3M air release vinyl matte sheen. So if you want something like this, again, go to the rmwraps.com website. If you ever want to get a hold of us, 208-696-1180, info@rmwraps.com. Randy or Devin will take care of you. If you got any comments, questions, or concerns, other than that, that's it right there. Come back. We got more projects and parties coming your way, and see more stuff. You will see me on the next video.